Step 1 unfolds the power of deep breathing. Find a quiet haven and settle into a comfortable position. Shut the world out by closing your eyes. Draw in a deep breath through your nose, filling your lungs with life-giving air. Hold it for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, allowing any tension to melt away. Repeat this cycle, focusing on the rhythm of your breath and feel your body surrendering to relaxation. Step 2 introduces the grace of gentle movement. Engage in gentle stretches or yoga poses. These activities help to break the chains of physical tension and pave the way for relaxation. Listen to your body and move with intention, letting go of stress with each mindful movement. Step 3 immerses you in the healing embrace of nature. Nature has a way of soothing our frazzled nerves like nothing else. Take a leisurely stroll in the park or simply sit under a tree, connecting with the natural world around you. Tune into the symphony of birdsongs, feel the caress of the breeze, and let nature's beauty work its magic on your soul. Step 4 guides you into the realm of mindfulness practice. This involves meditating to quieten the mind and center your focus on the present moment. Find your comfort zone, close your eyes, and direct your attention to your breath. Observe the rise and fall of each inhale and exhale, casting aside any thoughts that try to intrude. With time and practice, you'll nurture an oasis of inner peace and relaxation. Step 5 is all about self-care rituals. Weave these rituals into the fabric of your daily routine. It could be sinking into a warm bath, savoring a cup of tea, or losing yourself in the pages of a good book. Engage in activities that feed your soul and spark joy. Remember, self-care isn't self-indulgence, it's a vital ingredient for your overall well-being. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to help you navigate the path to relaxation and tranquility. By weaving these practices into your daily life, you can cultivate a sanctuary of calm and inner peace, even amid the tumult of life's challenges. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us.